Bailey's on her way. I heard the door.
Oh, Bailey. This is a lot harder than it looks. How am I supposed to be then? Oh, I know. But I did. Because Sinister wanted in. Okay, so come to this side. Okay. Go up here and go up on this one.
I can't do that.
Yes, you can. You're like taller than it.
I can't get up there.
Who
I
the hell are
can't get
you?
up here.
Who is that?
That's Shane.
Oh.
Shane who?
Hey, Shane, since you're brave, pass me my...
Shane!
I'm not
Shane! He's coming.
Bailey, you're like, you could reach your little leg up
I
and...
used to try to do this when I was a kid all the time, and I could never do it.
Yeah, but now you're like 6 feet tall.
Yeah.